Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language, and today's topic is your noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of any person, animal, place or thing. Noun can be categorized into proper noun, common noun, collective noun and abstract noun. So proper noun where we represent a specific person, place, object like Jawaharlal Nehru, New Delhi, Friday, and it starts with the capital letter. Common noun is represent a journal, not a particular person, place, objects. It's categorized into collective and material noun. For example, man, country, bag, etc. Collective noun means a group of people, animal, things like army, herd, stack, packs, etc. And abstract noun means a special feelings, emotion, qualities like jealousy, love, etc. Collective noun, a large number of objects and being have a specific collective nouns attributed to them. It is important to use these correctly when describing a desired group. So we will see there are three groups are there. In the first group it's a team of players, fleet of ships, board of directors, bouquet of flowers, crew of sailors, litter of puppies, school of fish, heap of garbage, library of books, constellation of stars, scout of mosquitoes. Here, swarm of bees, jury of judges, flock of sheep, gang of thieves, host of sparrows, deck of cards, brood of chicks, staff of servant, tuft of grass, colony of ants, and tribe of natives. Here, army of soldiers, herd of cattle, choir of singers, class of students, brood of hens, quiver of arrows, cast of actors, ward of hills, pod of bees, parliament of owls, and companies of actors. So these are the collective noun of like players, sheep, director, flowers, sailors, puppies, actors, owls. So you have to learn this very carefully. Now abstract noun. These describes the qualities that we are not able to touch, neither we can see, but we can experience. Like we can come from these sources of abstract noun, first from adjective, then from verb, then from common noun. From adjective, a beauty becomes beautiful, pride is a proud, elegance is an elegant, cleverness comes from clever, fame comes from famous, power from powerful, and honesty from honest. These are the abstract noun which we get from adjective. And from verb, laughter, it's from laugh, loss from lose, belief from believe, pleasure from please, thought from think, growth from grow, and information from inform. From common noun, friendship from friend, slavery from slave, knighthood from knight, membership from members, childhood from child, theft from thief, and enmity from enemy. Another method of classifying the noun are countable noun and uncountable noun. Countable noun are those which we can count. For example, box, woman, blanket, table, chair. Uncountable, these are objects, materials or feeling that we cannot count. For example, comb, box, woman. For example, of uncountable noun are love, copper, salt, humanity, light, etc. Now we will start with the exercise. Here we have to identify the noun of the given passage and classify them as a proper, common, collective and material noun or abstract noun. So we start from the first line. It's a Jane. As Jane, Jane is a proper noun. Stood in the front of Mike. Mike is a common noun. Her nervousness is an abstract noun. Increased or on eyeing the huge audience. Audience is a collective noun. Standing in the front of her to distract herself, she tried focusing on the stage. It's a common noun. Rather than the crowd. It's a collective noun. Impatiently waiting for her to begin, her attention, abstract noun, fell on the brown color of the principal's hair. Proper noun. The hair is a. Then the shiny metal. It's a material noun. On the mic, the soft leather. It's also a material noun. On the sofa and freshness is an abstract noun. Of the fruits, common noun. On set on the table, table is also a common noun. Feeling confident again, she smiled and slowly began the speech, abstract noun. Now stage, fright. So fright is an abstract noun. Was something to that had plagued her since her childhood. That is an abstract noun. She always so afraid that she would topple, shatter, or make fool. Abstract noun is a fool. Abstract noun. Of herself in front of everyone when her teachers is a common noun. Finally got fed up and picked someone else for the job. It felt so disheartening that she decided to take action. Abstract noun. She would stand in front of the mirror and practice for an hour. The glass, mirror, material noun, glass, material noun. Reflecting back of her determination, that is an abstract noun. She would make speeches in parties and family outgoings. She refused to give up, refused to let something so tiny ruin her dreams. Her efforts paid off. No wonder she was giving her audience, collective noun, audience, a lecture of communication is an abstract noun. Skills. Now we have to create abstract noun from the given words. First one is accept, expect is an expectation, humble is humbleness, brave, bravery, discover, discovery, sweet, sweetness, lovely, lovable, yeah, love, clean, cleanliness, perform, performance, prevent, prevention, fail, failure, bound, foundation, decide, decision. Find out the collective nouns used to describe following: hound, its pack, it's a PACK, pack for hounds. Then monkeys is a troop, rooms is a suite, SUITE, birds, flock, flock, lions, pride, stairs, flight. Now classify as a countable or uncountable noun. Window, countable. Talent, uncountable. Curtain, countable. Strength, uncountable. Wood, countable. And floor, uncountable. Here we have to find out some for nouns in the puzzle. Verb, adjective, etc. are also present, but you have to identify noun of them. So here is a paper, then slave, then you can find here little, Dubai, then S, here little you have then get it, then here SHEAF, sheaf. So this is a puzzle where we have to find out the noun and the names. So we have found that Dubai is the proper noun, slave a common noun, sheaf collective noun, paper mat is noun, then verbs. In a verb it is gain, 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 and adjective is little. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.